Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Minecraft, or should I say it, Exploration Craft. Yeah, and today we are going to change this world into creative first. I'll just put the carpets in that can catch in fire things. Chest, and then put my armor out. Oh darn! And then put my armor in here. Now put that like that. Then put it to creative. And what happens? Yeah! No! I will break the carpet. That is causing too much. Oh. Sorry, I have a cough. Okay. Hello, Dan. I'm first thing finish done. Sorry. I have a cold. His face, finished on his face. And finished on his face. This is a little bit boring. No? Finishing that. I like an adventure. I wish I have it. But not that kind of visual I have in the center of the beside my house, and beside that old abandoned house thingy, that cobblestone house. I think it was a cobblestone church. Yeah, cobblestone church. Now black. I really need the sheep roundup. If you don't know what is a sheep roundup, that means some sheep, just spawn sheep and then you shear them. No, that's not gonna work. Sorry of the background. My mother is just enjoying the time of her life. No. Then yay! Dance finish. La 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 la. Ah! That was close. Yeah, I'm enjoying the time of my life, but now I have to do 18. Wait, how do I remember? Sorry, I now remember it. Wait, maybe I don't. Maybe I remember. Oh, what was that? I think something is coming towards me, but no. Wait a minute, I have two statues now. Dante the M and the Minion. That reminds me of Dan's video that he was in a fight with Trayaurus. What was that fight called again? Craig versus fake Dante the Minion! Good thing I am into a fight. Else I will be dead forever. Today I'm going to make a apple farm. Maybe? Nah. I have cold, sorry. Okay, I need wool. Need sheep. Need to go there. No! Sheepy. Come in here. Then the sheep will come hear me. Yes! They are dying. Hey, just come down here. Where's the die? It's smoking. Die. Oh, the smoking. Go here. Let's see inside. What? Wow! It's like a party in there. The world has come. Hey, no getting off my grass. Boo, boo. You do. Boo, boo. Boo. How can I get? Oh, there we go. Boom. Ha! Never mind. For that, this is the end. But sorry, I promise to make it up to you that there will be a second video to have some fun, but today, oh yeah, everyone, this is the end of this episode. I'll give you a link for a description. How do they say that? Never mind. I'll give you a link for the description. I hope to see you later, guys. I say goodbye. Yep. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you.